Well, Jim, they're not really seeing this as a fair assessment since not everyone is participating in the contact tracing, and there have been no major outbreaks directly linked to restaurants. At Harvest and Glen Mills, people are still dining outside, but the dining room is fairly empty. Owner Dave McGrogan was buried in his phone, watching lawmakers vote on an override to Governor Wolf's veto of a bill that would give restaurants more freedom.
69, and the veto of the governor is sustained.
The override failed, as the health department says there's reason to be concerned about dining.
It is businesses such as, and we've shown evidence for this, of restaurants and bars and nightclubs.
In recent contact tracing data, half of those who said they visited a business in the 2 weeks before testing positive said they went to a restaurant.
It doesn't mean you got it at the restaurant.
Owners take issue with the numbers. In fact, that 50% only amounts to 243 people, another 69 who went to a bar.
8,500 people get the coronavirus, and only 243 say, well, in the past 2 weeks, I've been at a restaurant. That's actually really good data. It shows we're using masks. It shows we're sanitizing. It shows that we're taking all the steps necessary.
At John Henry's Pub in Ardmore, they've been doing their own contact tracing, having patrons sign in at the door.
My restaurant's being as safe as we can.
Owner Kathy Carney worries about the winter.
Do you think that more of a rollback could be on the way if the numbers keep climbing the way they are right now?
I know there will be a rollback if the numbers keep climbing. There's no doubt about it.
Dr. Rachel Levine expressed concern for the results on cable news this morning.
So we are watching those numbers very closely.
Owners say there's not much more they can do.
There's just so many variables. I just feel like the restaurants, I hate to say it, are getting targeted because it's an easy target.
Now, the state has made no hint or suggestion that tougher restrictions are coming back, and the majority of positive COVID cases right now appear to be coming from social gatherings. Live in the Montgomery County Bureau, Matt DeLucia, NBC10 News.
So those restaurant owners very anxious. Thanks, Matt.